So me and my teddy SEPTA are going to do the being boozled challenge. So that means we can go closer to each other, so that way you can see me and my teddy SEPTA. Anyways, we're gonna do the being boozled challenge, and this time it's the real bag. I mean, the real box of beans. Anyways, time to go with the first bean. This bean is called toothpaste or Betty Boo. So I say I will go first. I will go first. Really? Toothpaste? That does not taste bad at all. Now SEPTA will go next. Really? I just got toothpaste. No, I was SEPTA. Draw. It's just a draw. It's just a draw. Anyways, time to go with the, oh shoot, next bean. Next bean. Okay, the next, oh, no. Okay, and the next bean is going to be, the next bean is going to be, toasted marshmallow or stink bug. That's what I literally just said. Anyways, let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Eat it! Oh my god! Stink bug? Really? Oh my god. Next one. Oh my gosh. SEPTA got toasted marshmallow. That means SEPTA wins this round. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to split this bean in half. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1, eat it. Are you serious? Burnt rubber, oh my gosh! Oh gosh, SEPTA has one too. Draw big time. Anyways. This bean is going to be peach or both. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1, eat it. I got peach. Yes. Got peach. Let's see what SEPTA got. Well, that's a tie. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my gosh. That means I win. Let's go with the next one. What is this? Let me see. This bean is gonna be with a couple cool liver or onions. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Eat it. Oh my god! Are you serious right now? Oh. Dude, SEPTA wins this round. Oh my god. I'm out of here. Like, I'm out big time. Anyways, let's go with the next bean. I don't think. Well, no, we don't have much time left. Oh, no. This bean is going to be tough. This bean is going to be strawberry. Wait, this bean is going to be juicy pear or sproggle. So let's go. Are you serious right now? It doesn't taste like pear or booger at all. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No. Not at all. None. Not at all. None at all. Anyways. This bean is going to be This bean is going to be top banana or wet dog. Whatever we do, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, eat it. Are you serious? Oh, come on. Great draw. Big freaking time. Oh my god. I wonder what is the next bean. Oh no. This bean is going to be so tough. And this bean is going to be strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. I don't like dead fish. I know you don't like dead fish, SEPTA, so let's do it. Let's eat it. I got strawberry banana smoothie. Me too. Are you serious? You choose paper, I just choose the scissors. That means I won this round. On to the last and final bean. No, this is not the last bean, I think. What is it? This is time for the last bean. This bean is going to be a pomegranate or spinach. Once again, we're gonna try this. 3, 2, 1, eat it. Oh, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh, not again! Ay, ay, ay. Alright, that's it. We haven't tried this last bean. Licorice or burnt rubber. Now in this skunk spray. Anyways, eat it. I got licorice. Yes. Bro, you literally cheated. That doesn't mean like that. Anyways, that's all this Bean Ballsy challenge for the week.